Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota in lovely Sarasota, Florida. We're located on 301 just north of University on the corner of Televast and 301 in Sarasota, Florida. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 1963 Ford Falcon Futura. You can see our website there at classiccarsofsarasota.com. You see the dual exhaust. We'll take a walk around it. I'll start it up, show you the interior of the vehicle. If you are interested, please give us a call at 941-355-1955 or visit our website. As I showed you, Classic Cars of Sarasota. Wanted to again highlight this vehicle today. This beautiful 1963 Ford. Sorry about that, and Siri was starting to go off here, so apologize. Here at Classic Cars of Sarasota, we keep about 100 cars in inventory, so you can see several of the other cars we have. Final edition Vipers, GTS, Copo Camaro, Factory 5 Shelby, XLR, beautiful 65 Malibu, Chevelle, FJ that just come in, and on the other side several Corvettes along with other cars as well. You see a Beetle, some C3s and C2s down there, but again wanted to focus on this 63 Falcon. It does have a 289. They did put a Hurst 4-speed in it. Additionally, it does have a high-rise Elderbrock intake with a 4-barrel on it. So again, a little bit modified of an engine along with the Hurst 4-speed. You do see the Cragar chrome wheels. It does have new tires. Engine's been rebuilt. Transmission has been rebuilt. The Cragar wheels are new chrome bumpers. Again, just a beautiful, beautiful Ford Falcon here. It does have a new white top as well. The top does work. If you want to see pictures of the vehicle with the top down, please visit our website, Classic Cars of Sarasota. We have pictures of the underside, the top down, top up, detailed pictures of the interior and the engine bay. Today we're just doing a quick walk around to highlight the vehicle, show you the beautiful red interior. Again, nicely done. See the seat belts. We'll go ahead and start it up, let you hear it. If you are interested and you might need financing, or you're thinking about financing the vehicle, we do have finance partners that primarily focus on classic cars, so we can certainly get your financing needs taken care of. Just visit our website at Classic Cars of Sarasota. See the aftermarket tach. Neutral here. Tach. Nice wood steering wheel. The engine runs as it should. You don't hear any ticking, no knocking. Runs well. Take you back so you can hear the exhaust. Dual exhaust. If you're not in Florida, or you are in Florida and you may need shipping, please give us a call. Ask for Kayla, our office manager. She's been shipping cars worldwide, door to door, for over 9.5 years, so we can take care of your shipping needs. As I mentioned earlier, we can help you with any financing needs that you may have. So please give us a call, 941-355-1955, if you're interested in this car or have shipping needs. If you want to see additional pictures, as I mentioned, please visit the website. Just rev it up a little bit for you here. Yeah, it sounds very good. You can hear that dual exhaust. Go ahead and shut it off. We got a beautiful, what I would call driver quality 63 Ford Falcon. Again, paint's in very good condition. You could take this to a show, come out on top, and or just take it out for a ride and enjoy casual afternoon. Just gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery here, as we do keep the batteries disconnected while we're inside due to insurance reasons, to keep the car safe along with our building. Again, here at Classic Cars of Sarasota in Sarasota, Florida, located on 301 just north of University. If you're interested in this car or any of our other 100 cars, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit our website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.